Black Friday isn't over yet. Whether you're a gamer, a DIY enthusiast, or a person who hates to visit the doctor, don't waste your time and grab one of these products since they might improve your life. This video is sponsored by Anker Webcam. What do you usually take with you when you're going outside? That's right, your phone, your wallet, and your keys. This PopWallet allows you to free some space in your pockets. All you need is to mount it on the back of your phone. It can hold up to 3 cards or a couple of business cards and even some bills. Time to pay? Push the needed card out of the wallet. Want to watch a video? Use the wallet as a phone stand or mount it on any other possible surface. Do you belong to the secret club of lovers of the colder side of the pillow? Well, now you can regulate the temperature of your whole bed with the ChiliSleep Cube cooling sleep system. With its superpower to keep your bed between 55 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, it can create a sleep-friendly environment throughout the year. By the way, you and your partner can set the needed degree on their side of the mattress with the mobile app or using the remote. Okay, in case you've appreciated the extension pole but didn't appreciate the fact you need to work with that saw attachment, here's the device that'll do everything for you. It's also expandable. Use it to cut the branches 9 feet above the ground. Its second pro is that it's cordless. You won't get stuck in wires. 80-watt powerful ion battery is ready to make up to 83 cuts on one charge. Gardening has become much easier now. This thing will help you enjoy a glass of wine without opening the bottle. Place the clamp over your bottle, then push it down until the needle is fully in. That's it. Now just press the trigger and the wine pours out of the built-in spout. The gadget's powered by replaceable capsules filled up with pure argon gas. It pressurizes the bottle, providing this smooth flow of wine. If your bottle has a screw cap, no problem, there's a special accessory for that. Once you remove the gadget, the cork is still there with just a tiny hole in it, so you can finish the bottle a month or a year later. Your wine will be just as good. How to impress others? First, you need to take care of your smile and breathe. The first time you use this teeth whitening kit, things will look better. What you need is to just apply the serum onto your teeth and throw in the LED mouthpiece for up to 30 minutes. Pair it with the app to track your progress, and don't worry about the sensitivity, since the serum won't cause any damage. And stop hiding your smile. It's beautiful. Here's the way to save a lot of money on your visits to the doctor. TytoCare Home Medical Exam Device is an exam camera and thermometer in one body. Additionally, you get an otoscope adapter for ear exams, a stethoscope adapter for heart and lung exams, and a tongue depressor adapter for throat exams. What's more, this real-time health gadget connects to the Tyto app on your device for virtual exams with your doctor. It helps you stay away from WebMD and unnecessary ER trips. The age of online conferences and Zoom meetings requires a good pick. You can still look your best while working from home when you install the Anker PowerConf C200 webcam. Ensuring it creates true-to-life colors, this gadget has a crisp, clear 2K HD camera that delivers 30 FPS. First things first, you need to run through the quick installation and customize the settings. Well, you can also mount it on a tripod if needed. As for the setup, feel free to adjust how much the cam can see by choosing the angle of the lens's opening without losing any image quality. Or you can just blur the background. What's cool? The built-in low light correction technology makes you visible at any time of day. Moreover, just like your favorite headphones, the Anker PowerConf C200 provides active noise cancellation, so the other person won't hear any distracting sounds. Speaking of privacy, you can slide on the privacy cover to shield yourself from the cam's view. It's time to level up your meetings. Click the link in the description and get your PowerConf C200 webcam. Okay, those bills are getting bigger and bigger, but here's the thermostat that knows how to make them smaller. What you need is to set the schedule. When you're in, when you're out, when you're sleeping, what temperature you want to set up in all those cases, and so on. Well, at least set the temperature. The built-in sensors will know when you're inside. The device, in its turn, automatically adjusts to your desired temperature when you're home or sleeping to keep you comfortable day and night. All the info is clearly seen on a big touch-sensitive screen. As a result, you never preheat or pre-cool your house in vain. This way, you'll save up to 26% per year on heating and cooling costs. When you're supposed to spend a couple of days outside, you need a reliable power source to charge all your gadgets on time. Jackery Explorer Power Station may come in handy here. It'll juice up literally any device you need several times, from a laptop to a mini fridge. There are also multiple ways to recharge the power station. You can use the Jackery solar panels. In full sun, it takes 5 hours to fully charge. Meet your new gym. Yep, you may think it's a mirror at first. Okay, so there's a 22-inch built-in touchscreen with a constantly growing library of various workouts, so you can repeat exercises and watch your technique. Don't want to disturb people around you? Connect your earbuds via Bluetooth. But you need some gear to have the proper result. That's why there's a whole set of stuff, including a barbell, 2 dumbbell bars, and some weight plates. Let's bring some color to your house. These triangular-shaped light panels are easy to install and to customize. For example, light modules can light up to the rhythm of your favorite song. At the same time, the system supports management of up to 30 light panels, which you can buy separately or purchase a complete set at once. It's a very modern and beautiful decoration for your walls. But what about the ceiling? Use these light bars and combine them in an infinite variety of different layouts. If the initial kit isn't enough, you're free to expand it to the point where the lights will cover an entire wall. So sync them with your gaming setup and PC monitor and make the gaming experience even more immersive. Sometimes you wake up easily. Sometimes you rise from the dead, but there are important things to do. This lamp from Philips will gently wake you up so you can start your morning in the right mood. When it's time to wake up, it simulates the sunrise by slowly increasing the brightness and turning on the ambient music. But you can set your favorite song or FM station. When you want to go to sleep, it works quite the opposite. It slowly dims the light, and don't forget that light-guided breathing feature that helps to relax and fall asleep faster. On the whole, this is a great lamp for your nightstand. Good music is always a good companion. That's why I recommend you to take this speaker by Ultimate Ears to your next adventure, or a couple of them to get an immersive stereo sound. Since it's an outdoor device, it works within a 130-foot range and is rugged and waterproof. Oh, and the playtime won't disappoint you. Drinking tap water is like playing Russian roulette. You never know when the revolver will fire. Stop playing those games with your stomach and use the bottle that'll clean the liquid. The UV sterilizer inside the cap kills all the germs and bacteria. Not only can it clean an empty bottle, but also purify the water inside. Know what? Use the cap to clean your keyboard, your phone, and your brush too. Usually, video doorbells show you just the upper part of the guest's body. This one from Arlo allows you to see visitors from head to toe. This home security device allows you to draw your own detection zones and receive alerts in only areas that matter. If there's a guest within the device's area, it'll notify you of that. Someone's calling but you aren't at home, you'll receive a video call to your phone. This is a useful way to communicate with visitors without coming to your door. Keep your drink at the exact temperature you prefer with this smart mug. You can set the needed degree once, or you can adjust it via the app as you're drinking. The app remembers the temperature and has several preset options for drinks such as tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. The software also notifies you when your desired warmth of the liquid has been reached. Smart Mug comes with a saucer, which is actually the charging device. Just put the mug on it or take it off for up to an hour and a half. Personalize your mug and enjoy the ideal drink from the first sip. Our homes are getting smarter every day. It's high time to choose an appropriate smart lock to secure all that we treasure. This one by August can automatically lock as you leave and unlock as you arrive. Moreover, you'll be able to control your lock remotely and even check the history of all the previous actions using a special app. Well, that might be sort of a bummer for teenagers and a relief for hosts and travelers. These smart locks are already integrated with Airbnb and HomeAway to enable seamless check-in and check-out using a temporary code. The lock works perfectly fine with such smart home ecosystems like HomeKit, Google Home, or Alexa. Searching for keys in your bag is a yesterday problem. Going outside early in the morning? You better take a power bank to juice up your mobile devices when they need it. This one can charge up to 3 gadgets at a time. Thanks to bidirectional wireless charging, you can just stack your iPhone and AirPods on both sides. In addition, a 20-watt USB-C PD fast charging port will take care of a third device. And don't forget to use that kickstand while you're having a chat on FaceTime. I hope this project will find its backers on Kickstarter. By the way, super early birds will receive a 40% discount on the product. Improve your parties, gaming sessions, and celebrations with some light. This light strip features several modes and lighting effects. I like to watch the way the colors change to the beats of my favorite song. You want to throw a party in the backyard? Don't forget to install the light strip. It's sturdy and waterproof. This one's for all the gamers out there. Aside from NVIDIA RTX 3080 and RTX 3090 graphics cards, Alienware Aurora R13 has an improved cooling structure. That's thanks in part to the 10mm copper heat pipes, built-in vapor chambers, and dual axial fans that offer positive rear pressure relief with a short length. More than that, this computer runs on a 10th generation Intel Core i9 processor and comes with 64 GB of RAM. You'll also get 2 TB of storage and a 2 TB hard disk. So launch your favorite game and show them who's boss. Okay, how much time do you usually spend organizing your working place and then trying to find the needed thing among dozens of similar boxes? Brightbin will help you with that. Well, yeah, you have to spend some time creating the database of your stuff, but after that, you just pick the item you're looking for in the app and the needed box lights up. You can find the empty box the same way when you need to put something back. Don't miss out on the 30% discount by becoming a backer of this project.